We apologize for the interruption. Information will be shared. Please stand by. We apologize for the interruption. Information will be shared. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. The following message was transmitted by the request of the Home Office and the Ministry of Defense. At 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Unknown error has occurred at the CBBC studio, causing an unknown substance to be released. This unknown substance is most likely to affect people if they go near or touch it. It is advised that you stay away from the substance. According to officials, the side effects of the unknown substance are shaking, vomiting black ooze, white blank eyes, dripping black ooze on skin and mouth, able to affect people if affected, and memory loss. It is unknown how dangerous the threat is, but it is advised to keep away from anyone who is affected. Stay tuned to local media stations for more updates on this situation.
Greetings, pathetic humans. I am Codebreaker. I am responsible for all this. I have taken over half of the United States. And soon I will take over the world. I will spare you no mercy. You will all be my slaves. I will take over this country then this world. And even the universe. You will become like us. Your country will fall. Wales will burn. Scotland will fall. And Ireland will collapse. Before I leave you to your defeat, I will play your pathetic national anthem for the last time. Enjoy being corrupted. Goodbye. For now.